Hello everyone! Today, we're making a quick and vibrant stir-fry with cauliflower mushroom, also known as Sparassis. It's ruffled, tender, and perfect for soaking up savory sauces. You'll need 150 grams of Sparassis. Start by separating the Sparassis into bite-sized pieces. Sparassis isn't just pretty, it's packed with beta-glucans that support immunity and fight inflammation. Used in traditional medicine, it may help with skin health, wound healing, and even blood pressure. Give them a gentle rinse to remove any debris, then set them aside. Always rinse gently. Sparassis is delicate but holds flavor beautifully. Slice thinly a quarter each of red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, especially the red ones, great for your immune system and glowing skin. They're also rich in antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Where are you watching my video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Slice thinly a quarter of one onion. Heat your oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and stir until fragrant and lightly golden. Next, toss in the sliced onions, bell peppers, stir fry for about a minute to bring out their sweetness and color. Now add the Sparassis mushrooms. Stir-fry everything together for a few minutes. They cook quickly and absorb flavor beautifully. Pour in the coconut aminos and oyster sauce. Stir well to coat every ruffled piece. Coconut aminos is more than just a soy sauce alternative. It's naturally gluten-free, soy-free, and lower in sodium. It contains amino acids that support muscle and hormone function, and it fits into Whole30, paleo, and low glycemic diets. Plus, it adds a gentle sweetness and umami depth without refined sugars. Season with Hondashi for umami and a pinch of salt to taste. Let it simmer for another minute until the sauce slightly thickens. Plate it up and sprinkle with fresh parsley. That's it, your colorful, savory stir-fry cauliflower mushroom is ready to enjoy. If you love quick, healthy recipes like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your foodie friends. Drop a comment below, how would you serve this dish? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching to the end.